Have a big day today. I think a lot will be determined today. So what do you think? Does Merchan ultimately vacate the guilty verdict? And if not, what happens in 2 weeks?
What he should do and what he will do are two different things. Under the law and federalism in the United States Supreme Court, they've decided that the president's immunity applies in this case, and that application, even though it's from the United States Supreme Court, applies to the state court because it's an adjudication of a federal issue. Now, I was there during President Trump's trial, and I watched this judge adjudicate matters unconstitutionally on an hourly basis. So I'm not sure he has the wherewithal to do what's necessary under the law and forbid and stop the politicization and weaponization of justice. And so what he may do is issue a sentence and hold it in abeyance to at least allow the president to appeal his sentence based upon the appellate issues that have been created under the law here.
Okay, so assuming for argument's sake you are 100% correct, doesn't this thing get overturned on appeal?
No, you're absolutely right. Look, I was a federal public defender and a national security prosecutor, but as you know, this is in the state court process, so it would have to be appealed through the state of New York court system first, and because they're adjudicating the federal issue of presidential privilege and immunity, then it would go to the federal court. You're talking about a 3 to 5 year runway at a minimum, but hopefully this judge, and I know that's not a legal basis to continue a case, but hopefully he gets it right and follows the actual law. But here's the thing, Americans voted for President Trump and they believed in his position that the justice system has been weaponized, and this judge should see that and allow this country to be unified under the Supreme Court's ruling.